The most beautiful and stressing measure of life is how much there is to life, how much life there is to live, how many countries we can visit, how many people we can meet, how many ideas we can execute on, how many kids you can have, how many houses you can have, how many cars, how much clothes can you have, how many shoes can you have, how many different braid styles can you get, how many different apartments. This is the abundance of life. These are affirmations that we are going to go over in this video. You need to affirm to yourself every single day how great, how gracious, and how supreme you are. Every day, every single day, every waking second, I tell myself, thank you. I am so grateful for you and your existence and your energy. And I am abundant. I am abundant. I am filled with everything that I imagine. Now, that's an interesting perspective, right? You are everything you imagined. From when you were a kid to now, you are that thing. You can achieve that thing. I am abundant. You are abundant. I am wealthy. You are wealthy. One of my favorite quotes that I came up with for myself and for my fam, money loves me and I love money. Success loves me and I love success. I love opportunities and opportunities love me. And I say this to myself all the time. Why? Because it's more difficult to achieve something that is on a long path because your stamina is not up to par. It's more difficult to achieve that thing. That's like walking on a very, very, very long trail and they tell you around 10 to 20 miles, maybe it's a 5% chance from the 10 to 20 mile radius that you will find the thing that you have been looking for this whole entire time. So we got 10 miles of wiggle room to hope that we're going to stumble upon this treasure, right? The path less traveled is the path that I will always take because it's the most fulfilling, it's the most rewarding, it's the most gracious. And what am I? I am a gracious, grateful person. I am a being. Everything I do is in motion. Everything I acquire is in motion. Why would I stop? Something that is idle, something that stops, cannot achieve. Why? Because they're at a stop. If you're at the bus stop, what are you waiting for? The bus. If the bus goes by and you went to the bathroom, you were in you miss the bus. You gotta stay. They said every hour on the hour, your bus is coming. You know that. That's a staple. You know that. You know that. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Maybe 1 minute late or 1 minute ahead of time. You know that. So why would you not be ready? Why would you not go to the bathroom? Why would you not get some snacks from the store, from the little corner store? Why wouldn't you get a drink 15, 20, 30 minutes ahead of time? So you're not rushing to sprint to the bus on the hour. I am abundant. I don't chase. I attract. I am. It's not even about attracting. I'm attracting women to me. I'm attracting business, like-minded individuals. I am that. The world is going to reflect your feelings right back at you, whether you like them or not. I know that's a very tough pill for y'all to swallow, but the world is going to reflect your own feelings right back at you. Okay? It's not going to play. It's not going to mess around. The world is intentional, just even if you don't know it. If you don't know how intentional the world is, keep thinking your same thoughts and be aware of those thoughts and watch how your life happens. Watch what happens around you, because you begin to point the finger at everything that's happening outside of you instead of pointing the finger at what is happening in me to experience these things. I am full of wealth. Every time I drive my car, first thing I do, before I put my seatbelt on, I put my windows down. Okay? I put my windows down. Why? Because I love feeling Mother Nature. I love feeling the air. I love feeling the sun beam on my skin through the windows. That's what I love the most. And I love driving. Driving is very peaceful to me. I'm never in a rush. I'm never in a hurry to get somewhere. And even if I am, that's my fault. I left later, or I got lost in time, as they say, losing track of time, because you were on the wrong track. You were in the wrong vehicle of mind. So yeah, you lost track of time. Whose fault is that? Nobody else's but me. But the reason why I love driving so much is because I'm staying in my lane. Everybody who is an adult has the ability to get a car. How many of them adults get in accidents? Or as they say, that's what they say. They get in incidents. Okay. And that was mostly in effect to them not staying in their lane. It's like, how many shoes do you have? But you still don't know how to walk in the right direction? Make the right decision? Walk the right walk? Stop talking the same talk, you know? It's interesting, right? But when you dissect it, the world is your mirror. People, your neighbors, are your mirrors. What do I see in the mirror? You know, a lot of people love to look out the window. They love to throw rocks outside the window. But they never love to look in the mirror and throw rocks at themselves. Why? Because it hurts. It hurts. The truth may piss you off. It may piss you off. Scratch that. It's definitely going to piss you off. But it will set you free. It is liberating. Truth is power. Honesty is power. So in that aspect, you look in the mirror and say to myself, have I been living a lie? And you, in that very moment, you got to make a decision to right your wrongs. You got to right your wrongs, dog. If you want to live like that forever, so be it. Your world is going to reflect those feelings right back at you. But to those people out there who want to live a more fulfilling, spontaneous, joy-filled, liberating life, man, there is so much out here to enjoy. I'm getting the chills just thinking about it. Oh, man. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful because I'm full of greatness. I've been knew that. I've had people around me tell me, and I didn't just double down on what they were telling me that they see in me. I went inside of me and really realized how full of greatness I am. Hell yeah, I'm grateful because I'm full of greatness. I like to say I'm a great creator creating greatness. evolving the world, evolving the consciousness, elevating frequency, elevating vibrations. That's what I'm here to do. So these affirmations will take your life to another atmosphere. You will be in other planets. It will be difficult for you to come down on this plane and resort to mundane things. Boring. I'm getting the chills just even thinking about this, because how does this not excite you? How does this not revitalize and rejuvenate your spirit? Give a damn how many hours you work in a week. What is that thing that drives you? What is that thing that keeps you up at night? Could be your kids, could be your grandmama in the hospital, it could be diabetes in your family, cancer in your family, you got little siblings, your mama, she working her ass off, whatever it should be. Let that take precedence over your life. Live in abundance. There is nothing you can't attain. There is nothing you can't acquire. Act like it. Act like it. The reason why people aimlessly move and aimlessly talk and aimlessly just drink and because they're lost. They've fallen short, which is fine. But you're going to stay on the ground? You're going to stay there? So you didn't see 3 people ask you if you needed some help? Come. Not one of them. You 3 strikes. You. Everybody, you said, "No, I'm good," because you can't trust people. You don't like people. You think it's too good to be true. You're on the ground. Don't be mad at other people when they were out here helping you. Stupid mother. Get your mind right. 2024, get your mind right or get left. I'm out, dog.